fermented elderflower soda. This is bang in season now, simple to make and absolutely delicious and perfect to drink in the sunshine. I'm using apple juice as a base, so firstly you want to juice yourself some apples. If you haven't got a juicer, then you can just buy some apple juice, preferably unpasteurised, and then get some of your elderflowers and just pick the flowers off, stuff them into a bottle or a wide-mouthed jar if you want to make it easier. And then I'm adding a bit of honey, about 10% honey, just to add a bit of sweetness, depending on how sweet your apple juice is. And then load it up with the pressed apple juice, give it a little shake, and let this mingle for about 5 days, and it will start to ferment. Every day you're going to open the lid and burp it. You can see I haven't done a great job of this, and I was struggling to open it. But safety first, a little plate or bowl underneath, and then I've opened it. Strain this off now into a bottle, just to get rid of the flowers and make it easier to pour. And then I let this sit and carbonate for another day at room temperature before putting it in the fridge to chill down, to make it easier to open. And to celebrate my first elderflower fizz of the season, I got exclusive use of Eton cricket pitch, got the jars in and enjoyed the moment. Cheers.